Moonlit Apples by John Drinkwater. At the top of the house, the apples are laid in rows, and the skylight lets the moonlight in. And those apples are deep sea apples of green. There goes a cloud on the moon in the autumn night. A mouse in the wainscot scratches and scratches, and then there is no sound at the top of the house of men or mice, and the cloud is blown, and the moon again dapples the apples with deep sea light. They are lying in rows there, under the gloomy beams. On the sagging floor, they gather the silver streams out of the moon, those moonlit apples of dreams, and quiet is the steep stair under. In the corridors under, there is nothing but sleep, and stiller than ever on orchard boughs they keep tryst with the moon, and deep is the silence, deep on the moon-washed apples of wonder.